Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. Now in this video I will explain you about parasitic nutrition in Cuscuta plant. Parasitic nutrition in Cuscuta. So friends, if we take dodder plant, this plant belongs to the genus of Cuscuta. This dodder plant is a leafless twining plant. It is a leafless twining parasitic plant which belongs to the morning glory family. It is a leafless twining parasitic plant belongs to the morning glory family. Morning glory family. The scientific name of this morning glory family is Convolvulaceae. Convolvulaceae. This is the scientific name of this morning glory family. There are about 170 types of species around the world which are spread throughout the tropical and temperate regions of the world. Which are spread throughout the tropical and temperate regions of the world. Now this is the introduction about the dodder plant. Now if we see, this plant do not contains any type of chlorophyll. There is one type of plant called as Cuscuta reflexa. Cuscuta reflexa. This Cuscuta reflexa contains a little amount of chlorophyll in which it absorbs the food material through its hastoria. It is having a part called hastoria. It will absorb the food material from the host plant through this part hastoria. These hastoria are root-like structures which penetrate into the tissue of their host plant. Now coming to the petals, there are two types of petals present in this Cuscuta reflexa. They are white bell petals. One type is white bell petals and another type is yellow tiny petals. Yellow tiny petals. Inside these petals, they are nodule-like clusters, and there are different types of plants, different types of twining-like structures. There are four colors in this. It will be present in four colors. They are orange, yellow, red, and brown. In these four colors, their twining leaves will be present. Their leaves are reduced to scales. It do not contains any type of leaves, and it contains a tiny leaves called as scales. Now let us look about the germination of this Cuscuta seed and how it will be survive. I will explain with the help of a diagram. So friends, this is the land. Now here it is the seed of Cuscuta. Now it will germinate like this. This is like this. The seed of the Cuscuta will germinate. Now coming to the host plant, it is the host plant. We will take this as host plant. This is the host plant. And this is the cuscuta. Now it will germinate like this, and it will form an first after its germination. Immediately after its germination, it forms an anchoring root. It forms an anchoring root like this. It will search for any host plant and it will come up to here, and now it will send a tiny root like structure up to the stem of this host plant, and it will surround the stem of this host plant. It will occupy the total stem of the host plant like this. Again here, after surrounding or twining around the stem of the host plant, it forms haustoria. Here at this stem, after surrounding or occupying the stem of the host plant, it forms haustoria, through which it obtains the food material, and it forms haustoria, and it penetrates into this stem. It will penetrate into the stem. In the stem, some tissues are present. In those tissues, it will penetrate by haustoria, and it will obtain the food material from the haustoria. And this host plant will obtain the water. Water is obtained through the haustoria by the host plant in the xylem, and nutrients are obtained by the host plant from the haustoria by the phloem. From the phloem, nutrients are obtained. Friends, I will explain again. Here, the first step is germination of the cuscuta seed. First it will germinate like this, and it will form a big root like this, and it will occupy the total stem of the haustoria. After occupying the total stems of the host plant, it forms haustoria, and it penetrates into the stem of the host plant, and it will obtain the food material from the host plant, and the host plant will obtain water from the xylem of haustoria and nutrients from the phloem of haustoria. So friends, this is about the parasitic nutrition in cuscuta. I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.